Yo, what's up guys? It's PJ and today is a very exciting day because it's Lazada Unboxing Day. So I ordered some items from Lazada that we can actually use for our daily vlog. So for you guys out there who would like to start your own vlog, to start your own YouTube for beginners like me, these items that I ordered from Lazada can actually make our lives easier, can make our recording more easier and more fun because these items can really help us guys. So I ordered some items from Lazada. I ordered some mic, some bracket, some what else? I ordered some GoPro stick for you. I mean for me guys, so that you can actually use them for daily vlog. So I'm excited to open them guys. So let's get started. Let's open Lazada items guys. I have here two packages from Lazada. So let's get started guys. So first item guys, we have the Selfie Stick for action camera, and this one costs 468. So let's check the package. Excited to open this one. This is like a selfie stick that we can use for our action camera like GoPro and SJ Cam. So we have a lot of action cameras out there that this is very useful, especially for filming outdoor activities like going to the beach or going for a vacation and a trip. The action cam is really useful for us to record a beautiful scenery of the place, and like when we are jumping off the cliff, right? So it would really look nice if we use action camera, and if we also have this selfie stick that we can use to carry, I mean to place our action camera so that it will be secured and safe, and we can record beautiful scenes like jumping off a cliff, diving, going for a swim, or hiking, going to the mountainside and stuff like that, because you can actually record the intensity of jumping, right? Jumping off the cliff, diving, and like running like that, stuff like that, or it's any action type that can actually use this. Anyway, we have these items. This is the stick itself, the Telsen. I've heard that this is a good brand, that the quality is good. As you can see that the grip is a good grip. It feels comfortable holding this, and it can actually extend the whole thing, right? So if you want a good view, like the entire view of the place, like when you go on top of a mountain and you want to film the scenery, right? Good take. So you can extend this and you can just look up, so the people can see, good background, and you can also do the turn around, a 360 move with this stick, and yeah, this is very useful. And then what else? This has also, it comes with a free camera holder. As you can see, there's a camera holder. Some stuff, some parts that we need to connect. I believe this one is for the tripod. It says that you can actually use this as a tripod. It has a stand. So let's try. So there it goes. See? It has a stand, and just put it here. There. That's it. And stand. Cool. There you go. Standing up pretty nice. So if you are recording, like if you're walking down the hallway, or walking down, like going down hiking, and recording some still footages, video images, you can just place this one, because it can. So we'll try later if these can actually hold. It's stable enough, I believe so. Else, and yeah, GoPro. Using this GoPro Hero 5. And let's mount it. This one, just remove it and put it here. Some screw. Like that. Just do that, and that's it. You're good to go. Take a selfie like that. Nice. And what else? Comes with a this one is for, wait. So yun, in addition, this also comes with a cell phone clip and a cell phone holder. So you can add your cell phone, you can attach your cell phone here. There's a ring type. Just put it here. Just above the grip, you can put it there, and there's a lock. Be sure to lock it. Yeah, there. It's locked, and you can see a screw here. That is where you're gonna place the cell phone holder. Just screw it, twist and turn, and there you have it. It's already attached, and you can put your cell phone here, and you can put it there. Yeah, there. See, it's attached. Yeah. Turn. So you can actually use this as a monitor, because our GoPro doesn't have a monitor, so you can use this to check on the view of what you are actually recording. So that would be nice, and it can also serve as a dual camera while recording, right? So you can have different type types of view that you can use for your video, for your editing the video. So this would really come in handy. As you can see, there's also an additional slot for a bracket, so you can probably put there your external mic if you have one, or some lights, you can use it. So this item is very great. As you can see, you can you can use this to your advantage. I mean, if you have an attached cell phone and your GoPro camera is right there. See, I believe this item is very good, but we'll see. We still have to check the quality after using it some time. And this one is again a Telesin Selfie Stick for your action camera. So I ordered this from Lazada, sold by Gorilla Pro. So that's it. For 468, you already have this great camera for your action camera. I mean, great handheld selfie stick for your action camera. So this is a good buy. I'm definitely gonna use this, and this will really help me in making videos. Right, so okay, that's it. We'll make a separate review after using this for a while if it really serves its purpose, and you can check on the quality, the durability, the usability, the function. I'll make a separate review for that, and I'm just happy that I already have this selfie stick for my GoPro. That's it. So next item, guys, next item. So for our next items, we ordered some Boya microphone. We ordered some lapel type and the shotgun type and some bracket. So hopefully we can use these items in making great videos. So let's open the item from Lazada here. So I ordered this one from Juan Gadget. Oh yeah, Juan Gadget, because I've reviewed, has a lot of good comments, good feedback from his store, so that's why I chose buying from him, or yeah, from Juan Gadget in Lazada. Boo. It is properly packed. Bubble wrap, of course. Yeah, there. Hopefully there is no damage in the items. So, yeah. Let's play with the bubble wrap. Yeah. Right. See. So this is the bracket type, Boya BYZ01 aluminum alloy universal bracket, additional cold shoe. That's it. So I got this from Juan Gadget at 350. You can actually use this in setting up your camera and placing additional, like the LED lights and the camera, I mean the external mic, the shotgun type. You can add it here so that while filming it, you can record some nice audio of the place and nice video, especially if it's dark, and you can add some LED lights there. You can mount it here. Yeah. So this is the bracket. There's the scissors. Where is use the bracket. Yeah. You can mount your, we'll try that later. You can mount it here, your camera, and yeah. And hopefully I'll explore this later. And next, we have the Boya Lavalier Microphone. So this is the M1, so it's the lapel type. You clip it here, and this is great if you are doing some interview or you're just at your home speaking, you're discussing something to the viewers, and this is for great audio. You can record great audio, so you can lessen the noise, the background noise. With features, clip-on mic, omnidirectional condenser microphone, high-quality condenser is ideal for video use, low handling noise, and includes lapel clip and a battery. And let's check. Whoa. There's a warranty card. And of course, the manual. Whoa. It's a nice nice packaging. So look at the mic. This one. This. Yeah. Here. This is the Boya M1 Lavalier. So this is a lapel type. Flip it here. I'll make a separate video on how to use this one, and we'll make a review if it really makes a sound difference, the audio quality of our video. Let's check it out. And last one, more to come hopefully if I have some budget. So this one is the Mm1 Universal Microphone. So it is a shotgun type. You can use this especially when you are outdoors and you're filming outdoors. So this is called the dead cat. It will reduce the noise, the background noise, like the wind and stuff, so you can record very clear audio, especially when you're outside. So it's also good outdoor interviews. Just yeah. So for its features, compatible with smartphones, tablet, DSLR cameras, camcorders, audio, basically everything. Yeah. There's a manual. Yeah. Here's the dead cat. Is it really dead? Okay. So the mic is. So this shotgun type of microphone is very useful if you're filming outside, and this will really reduce the noise, the background noise. So if you're filming outdoors and doing some video outside, it's best that you use this shotgun. Yeah, you use this shotgun type, and hopefully we can try this out someday, and we'll test if these would really work. So I'll make a separate videos for these items that I received today, the the selfie stick for the camera, for the action camera, for the GoPro. We have the bracket here. We have the microphone, the Boya M1 Lavalier type. It's a clip-on. And lastly, we have this one, the shotgun type of microphone, and hopefully we can make a review using these products, and hopefully these items can help us small YouTubers and those beginners like us in making amazing videos with good quality audio and video, right? So hopefully these items will help us create an amazing video. So that's it for our opening or unboxing our Lazada items. So I'll play around with them. I'll try to explore these items and hopefully I can make a review. And that's it. So hopefully you guys out there learned something new today with these items that we bought from Lazada. And please do subscribe, do comment, and I'll see you around in the next videos. See you guys. Have a good day.